Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I have a box of goodies that I received from Charlotte Tilbury. Well, let me rephrase that. I have a haul for you from Charlotte Tilbury. She did not send this to me. She does not even know who I am. The first thing I got was her eyeshadow kit. This is her luxury palette color-coded eyeshadows, and this is in the color Walk of No Shame. I think this is an existing quad, but let's go ahead and unbox this. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. And let me tell you what she says in this. This comes also with this, the Walk of No Shame jewel pots. So let me open this, and I got this in Walk of No Shame too. I know she came out with the pillow talk, but I mean, I feel like the pillow talk has been overdone, so I wanted to try this Walk of No Shame. And it comes in a cute jewel package like that. Adorable. And it has a little stopper, and this is what the inside looks like. This is Walk of No Shame. But let me read you what she says. This is a new magical red toned eye makeup kit, including my copper red cream eyeshadow and eyeshadow palette for a bedazzling Walk of No Shame gaze. So let's go ahead and swatch this. This is the Walk of No Shame. Swatch this. Now, I don't usually wear reds, but I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit. So I thought I'd try that. And then her Walk of No Shame, what is this called? Jewel pot. Let's see what this looks like. It comes with a little stopper. And I do like her cream eyeshadow products for one and done. So there, that's this one, Walk of No Shame. Oh, that's pretty. You see, it's kind of dazzling. And then the other two products I got from her was the lip cheat in Walk of No Shame, and then her new jewel lips. So let's go ahead and swatch these as well. So this is the lip cheat in Walk of No Shame. That's what that color looks like. And I already have all her pillow talk ones, so I didn't want to get that either. And then her jewel lips in Walk of No Shame. Oh, it's a pretty packaging. Look at that. But this is what this looks like swatched. Oh, that's pretty too. Okay, so let's go ahead and try all this stuff on. Move all this out of my way. So let's go in with her eye palette. I'm gonna go in with my mini booster from Sonia G, and I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm gonna try to use just a tiny bit of that into as my transition shade. Now I already have foundation, concealer, and eye primer on, so let's go ahead and try this. Now I'm not used to wearing reds too much, but I did want to go ahead and give this a try. Now this is a smaller blending brush, so the makeup is going to be more concentrated, but I'm okay with that. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. Trying to get out of my neutral comfort zone, and I think this red will be beautiful for the holidays. Then I'm going to use the same brush and go into this color right here and use that on my outer V and just kind of tap that in and bring it up just a little bit. Then I'm just going to go in with a big blending brush and blend all that out so that it all blends together. Then I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm going to kind of just tap that in. It's a pretty topper shade. And then using that same brush, I'm going to go into this top and just put that into my right on the highest part of my arch. And then I'm going to go back in with this blender, brush that out. And I'm going into this color right here to use as my inner corner highlight. Then I'm gonna go into this color right here and use that on my lower lid. Just on the outer portion, and connect that to my upper lid. Now let's try her jewel pots. So it comes like this. This is the Walk of No Shame. Let's see, can you see that there? So I'm gonna just take a little bit on my finger. I'm gonna pat that onto my lid. So there's one with one eye. This is the eye with it, and this is the eye without. So I'm gonna put some on here. Okay, let me go ahead and put my mascara, line my waterline, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I put on my mascara. I tightline my waterline. I have bronzer, highlighter, and blush on. I did get some mascara on my eyelids, and I think that's just because I have hooded eyes, and so I'm gonna have to wait to take that off. Okay, so the little mascara that I got on my eyelids, I'll have to take off later, but let's go ahead and go in with this Lip Cheat in Walk of No Shame. I think this is also a product that she's already had but renamed it. And I'm just coloring in just the outer portion. And then let's go in with the new Jewel Lips in Walk of No Shame. Okay, there we have it. The Walk of No Shame by Charlotte Tilbury. What do you guys think? Okay, let me give you my thoughts on these. So, for the eyeshadow palette, this is not new. She just renamed this, Walk of No Shame. And I will say I'm not used to wearing red, so I'm gonna have to get used to this. I can see myself wearing this for a holiday party. I don't know if I would wear it every day. Would you guys wear this every day? The shadows perform like Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows perform. They blended well. So this is okay. I don't know. The formula is good. I just don't know if I would wear it regularly. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Then there's her jewel pot. The Walk of No Shame jewel pot. This is really pretty. I don't think this is a one and done eyeshadow pot. It's so shimmery, but it's not like a neutral for me, so I don't know if I can just wear this and just this alone. But it's very pretty with this eyeshadow palette. I don't know, maybe I should have gotten the Pillow Talk instead of the Walk of No Shame. Her lip pencil performed the way I thought it would, just like her other lip pencils, and I kind of do like this color. It's not a color I would normally pick out. I don't think I would wear it every day, but if I were going out for the night or something, I can see myself wearing this. What do you guys think? It doesn't feel glittery, but it's super shiny and comfortable on the lips. Maybe I should have gotten the Pillow Talk one. So those are it. If I had to repurchase, I don't know if I would repurchase these or not, but since I have them, I will be wearing them. Let me know if you think I can get away with this eye look for every day. I know red is becoming really in for the fall, so maybe I just need to get used to it. What do you guys think? Doesn't look bad though, right? Does it make my eyes look red? Do I look like I have pink eye. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm just not used to it. So give me your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.